From lost kingdoms to caves of creation, these real locations might rewrite what you believe about India's greatest epic. We often think of the Mahabharata as a tale told in temples or tucked inside old books, too distinct to touch, too divine to feel real. But what if the footsteps of its heroes still echo across India? What if the epic wasn't just mythology but memory? Scattered across the subcontinent are places that don't just reference the Mahabharata, they seem to remember it. Towns, rivers, caves, and ruins hold more than dust and stone. They carry stories of dharma and doubt, of choices made in war and love. Here are 6 such places where the line between legend and landscape blurs, and where history seems to whisper that the Mahabharata was never just a story. Kurukshetra, where the Gita was born. This ancient battlefield in Haryana is where Arjuna let down his bow and Krishna spoke the timeless verses of the Bhagavad Gita. At Jyotisar, a sacred banyan tree marks the spot of this cosmic conversation. The land still feels like a suspended breath between war and wisdom. Hastinapur, the fallen throne. Now quite a town in Uttar Pradesh, Hastinapur was once the heart of the Kuru Empire. Its soil has been dice games that doomed dynasties and wars that bent fate. Ruins and temples here aren't just archaeological sites, they are memory banks of a kingdom that crumbled under its own weight. Indraprasth, Delhi's epic past. Beneath Delhi's Purana Killa may lie the remains of Indraprasth, the Pandavas' magical capital, built from barren land into a palace of illusions. Excavations reveal layers of ancient life, hinting that modern Delhi might rest on the dreams of 5 brothers and a demon architect. Panchala, Draupadi's fairy origin. Spread across modern Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Panchal is where Draupadi was born from fire and where her Swayamvar changed the course of history. In Kampilya, the time feels thin, as if the embers of old rivalries between Draupad and Drona still burn beneath the earth. Vyas Gufa, the cave of creation. Tucked near Mana village in Uttarakhand, this Himalayan cave is where sage Vyas is believed to have dictated the Mahabharata to Lord Ganesha. Inside Vyas Gufa, the silence is deep, the air thick with ancient breath. Not far lies Ganesh Gufa, where divine words were etched into time. Viratnagar, the hidden air. In today's Berat, Rajasthan, the Pandavas spent a year in exile, disgraced among commoners. Caves and inscriptions still mark this once royal land. Legends of Arjuna teaching dance as Brihanala and of the stole cattle battle remind us even heroes had to hide, adapt, and wait. These places are more than dots on a map. They are living echoes of an epic that never really ended. In their stones, forests, and shrines, the Mahabharata breathes on, not as a tale of gods, but as a mirror to our own human struggles for purpose, justice, and truth. Maybe it was never just a story, maybe it still isn't it.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.